Google just dropped 3 AI tools that will blow your mind. Build apps without coding, design websites in seconds, create full marketing campaigns with one click. I tested all 3 and I'm about to show you exactly how they work. This is wild. And today we're doing something different. I'm not just explaining 3 new Google AI tools, I'm showing you exactly how to use them step by step to automate your entire business. I'm talking Opal, Stitch, and Pomelli. Right? By the end of this video, you'll have real prompts, real examples, and a complete system you can copy today. No fluff, just pure tutorial. Let's go. First up, Opal. This is how you build AI apps without code. I'm going to walk you through building an actual app that will save you hours every single week. Here's how you access it. Go to labs.google, sign in with your Google account, click on Opal. You'll see a big text box that says, what do you want to build? That's where the magic happens. Let me show you the app I built for the AI Profit Boardroom that you can copy right now. I built a lead qualifier. This app takes contact form submissions and automatically scores them as hot, warm, or cold leads. Here's the exact prompt I used. Listen carefully because you can copy this word for word. Create an app that analyzes lead information, including name, email, company size, budget, and pain points. Score each lead from 1 to 10 based on these criteria. Budget over 10,000 equals 5 points. Company size over 50 employees equals 3 points. Pain points matching AI automation or lead generation equals 2 points. Output the total score and categorize as hot lead if score is 8+, warm lead if score is 5 to 7, cold lead if score is below 5. Send results to my email with subject line new lead score. That's it. I pasted that into Opal and hit enter. But 2 minutes later, I had a working lead qualifier. Now, every time someone fills out our contact form, this app automatically scores them, and I know exactly who to follow up with first. This used to take me 30 minutes every morning manually reviewing leads. Now it happens instantly. And here's the cool part. You can connect this to Gmail, Google Sheets, wherever your leads come from. Opal handles all the technical stuff. You just describe what you want in plain English. And speaking of automation, if you want to learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Opal, Stitch, and Pomelli, you need to join the AI Profit Boardroom. Inside, we show you exactly how to use these cutting-edge tools to grow your business, get more leads, and free up your time. We've got step-by-step automation blueprints, done-for-you templates, and a community of business owners implementing this stuff every single day. We're using tools like these 3 Google Labs tools to automate lead generation, content creation, marketing campaigns, everything. And we show you the exact prompts and processes to make it work in your business. Links are in the description below. Check it out. Now, here's the key with Opal. Your prompts need to be detailed. Don't just say, make me a lead scorer. Tell it exactly what criteria to use, what the output should look like, and where to send the results. The more specific you are, the better it works. And if the first version isn't perfect, you can chat with Opal and refine it. Say things like make the scoring more strict or add a field for industry. It'll update the app in real time. You can also browse their template gallery and remix existing apps. I found a customer feedback analyzer and tweaked it to analyze YouTube comments for the AI Profit Boardroom channel. Took 3 minutes, that's the power here. You're not starting from scratch every time. Think about what you do manually in your business right now, sorting emails, qualifying leads, generating content ideas, analyzing customer feedback. All of that can be automated with Opal. You just need to describe the process in a detailed prompt and let the AI build it. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and tell me what task you'd automate first with Opal. All right, tool number 2, Stitch. This is how you design websites and landing pages in minutes. I'm going to show you how to build a complete high-converting landing page from scratch. First, access it the same way, labs.google, click Stitch. You'll see a prompt box and some example templates. We're building from scratch, so you learn the process. Let's build a landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. Here's my exact prompt, and I want you to write this down because this structure works for any landing page. Design a landing page for AI Profit Boardroom, a community teaching business owners how to automate with AI. Use a dark background with neon blue and purple gradient accents. Include a hero section with headline Automate Your Business in 30 Days with AI and subheading Join 40,000 members learning to save time and scale with artificial intelligence. Add a bright neon call to action button saying join free community. Below the hero, add 3 benefit cards with icons. Card 1 says save 20 hours per week with icon of clock. Card 2 says no coding required with icon of laptop. Card 3 says expert support and templates with icon of people. Below that, add a testimonial section with 3 quote cards on dark cards with neon borders. Include quotes from real members about saving time and getting results. Add a final call to action section with text, ready to transform your business. And another bright button, make everything mobile responsive with smooth animations on scroll. I paste that in and hit generate. 30 seconds later, I have a complete landing page, and it looks professional. The colors are exactly what I asked for, the layout is clean, the spacing is perfect, the typography is on point. But here's where Stitch gets really powerful. You can iterate on it in real time. Let's say I want to change something. I type change the headline to stop wasting time on boring tasks. It updates instantly. Or I say make the benefit cards have a glow effect on hover. Done. Add a pricing section below the testimonials with 3 tiers. Done. You can keep refining until it's exactly what you want. Here's the real power move. After you generate your design, click the export button. You get 3 options. Export to Figma if you want to hand it to a designer for final tweaks. Export HTML, CSS if you want to copy, paste the code directly into your website. Or export JSX if you're using React. I usually grab the HTML, CSS and give it to my developer. He plugs it in and we're live. What used to take 2 weeks of back and forth with designers now takes me 20 minutes with Stitch. And the code is clean. It's not messy AI-generated garbage. It's production-ready code you can actually use. You can also build multi-page flows. After creating your landing page, tell Stitch to add a pricing page, add a thank you page, add an FAQ section, build an entire website in under an hour. Each page connects to the next. The design stays consistent. You describe what you want. AI builds it. You export and launch. No design degree needed. No coding bootcamp required. Just clear prompts and AI doing the heavy lifting. All right, tool number 3, Pomelli. This is marketing automation on steroids. I'm going to show you how to create a complete 30-day social media campaign in under 10 minutes. First, go to labs.google and open Pomelli. You'll see a box that says enter your website URL. This is where Pomelli gets smart. It analyzes your entire website to understand your brand. Here's why this matters. Most businesses fail at marketing because it's too time-consuming and expensive. You need a designer for graphics, a copywriter for captions, a strategist to plan the campaign, a project manager to keep it all organized. That's 4 people minimum, and it will cost you thousands of dollars and take weeks. Pomelli does all of it in 10 minutes for free. This is the exact kind of automation that levels the playing field. Small businesses can now compete with big companies because they have access to the same quality marketing without the massive budget. Now let me give you the ultimate combo, how to use all 3 tools together to automate your entire funnel. This is where it gets powerful. Step 1, use Pomelli to create a social media campaign driving traffic to a lead magnet. Step 2, use Stitch to design the landing page where people opt in for that lead magnet. Step 3, use Opal to build an app that automatically sends the lead magnet, qualifies leads based on their responses, and follows up with hot leads. You just built an entire automated sales funnel in under an hour. Traffic generation, landing page, lead capture, lead qualification, email follow-up, all handled by AI. No developers, no designers, no expensive marketing automation software. Just 3 free Google products working together. To get the exact prompts and SOPs for this combo, please check out AI Success Lab. It's our free AI community. Links in the comments and description. You set up those 3 things and you've got a complete automated funnel running 24/7. Pomelli drives the traffic from social media. Stitch captures the leads with a high converting landing page. Opal nurtures them automatically and tells you which leads are most engaged. This is what marketing automation actually looks like. And most people have no idea these tools even exist yet. You're early. Use that advantage. And here's what I want you to do right now. Pick one tool and build something today. If you need marketing content, start with Pomelli and create a 1-week campaign. If you need a landing page, use Stitch and design it with a detailed prompt. If you want to automate a repetitive task, use Opal and build a simple app, then come back and comment below what you built. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so share your results. I genuinely want to see what you create with these prompts. Tag me and show me what you made. Let's see who can build the coolest automation. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free AI community. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from this tutorial, the exact prompts I used, plus access to our community of 40,000 members who are crushing it with AI. We share these strategies, step-by-step tutorials, and proven automation blueprints every single day. You need to be in there. And if you're serious about automating your business and want the complete system with done-for-you templates, weekly live coaching calls, and advanced automation workflows, join the AI Profit Boardroom. Inside, we show you how to use tools like Opal, Stitch, and Pomelli to automate lead generation, content creation, email marketing, social media, customer service, everything that eats up your time. We give you the exact prompts, the complete workflows, the video tutorials, and the support to implement this stuff in your business so you actually save 20 hours per week and scale without burning out. Start using AI to work smarter. Links are in the description. Check it out.